For example, if the truth table is given as A, B, C, F is said to be SOP, F bar is POS. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If suppose the truth table is for F 3, 0, 1, 2 are low and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are having high values, then F bar, that is POS, becomes low values becomes high and high becomes low. How to represent this? Min terms. For this, min term is, these are all the min terms. So min terms were written as, okay, this is one output. So we can write this min term as A bar B C, because A value is 0, B1 C1. So it is written as A bar B C, comma, next one A B bar C bar, next A B bar C, next one A B C bar, and last A B C. These are all the min terms. Now the expression, that is SOP, written as function of A comma B comma C is equal to summation of M of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the function F is, this is A bar B C or with A B bar C bar plus A B bar C plus A B C bar plus A B C. This is the function, and by this we'll get the SOP, that is min terms 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now from this truth table again we can write the max terms. Max terms are, now we need to consider ones, that is 0 is taken as A, again 0 B, 0 C. So this is written as A plus B plus C, and next A plus B plus C bar, next term is A plus B bar C, B bar plus C. These are all the max terms for this. Now we can write this POS as function of F of A comma B comma C is equal to pi of capital M of, okay, the max terms are, this is 0, 1, 2. So 0, 1, 2, and the function is written is A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C bar into dot plus A plus B bar C. This is the POS. Okay, now we'll see incompletely specified function. This is nothing but, in this we can use, if suppose not specified, for a boolean function whose output is a don't care for at least one of its input combination. For any one of this combination, the output becomes don't care, either for F or F bar. That is said to be incompletely specified function. Now we'll see one of the example truth table for incompletely specified function. is Boolean function whose output is at least for don't care for at least one of its input combination, and it is represented with x. Don't care is represented with x. Now we'll see the truth table, that is a, b, c, and the function, that is output. For example, any one of the combinational input output should be 0. Take this example: 1 don't care, 0 1 0 0 don't care, 1. This is specified as incompletely specified function. We call it as incompletely specified function. Now, how we'll write this truth table as SOP? That is f of function of a comma b comma c, 3 variables, is equal to SOP sum small m of, okay, where we are having 1 output 1 here for 0 3 as well 7. So 0 comma 3 comma 7 plus don't guess. Here we are having 1 and 6 are the don't guess. That means these can be used as 0 or 1. Don't care means you can consider this don't care either 0 or 1 according to our requirement. So it is represented as sum of d of, okay, the number is 1 comma 6. POS, we can write the POS as f of a b c is equal to POS pi of capital M of, now where 0 is existing, that is number 2 4 and 5. So 2 comma 4 comma 5 plus don't care same, but here we need to represent POS dot, okay, into pi of, okay, because don't care this is POS, so pi of capital D. Here we are using small d and here you should use small d, and the numbers are same 1 and 6. Okay, this is how to write the SOP and POS. Now we'll see an example for minimization of SOP expression. Okay, take an example. Minimization SOP expression. Okay, for example, the function is f of a comma b comma c is equal to sum of 1 2 5 6 7. This is the given expression. Now how will we can minimize this? That is f is equal to, this is written as, okay, 0 means a bar b bar c bar, plus 1 means a bar b bar c, plus 2 means a bar b c bar, 5 1 0 1, that means a b bar c plus 6 a b c bar 7 a b c. This is the SOP for this given terms 0 1 2 5 6 7, 0 1 2 5 6 7. Okay, now we should take a common, okay, that is from these two terms we can take a bar c bar, a bar b bar common. So c bar plus c bar plus c, using complementary law, okay, c bar plus c becomes 1. Next, from this from this and this, take B, C bar common. So we can write A bar plus A. This becomes 1. And from these two, take A comma C common. B bar plus C. B. This becomes 1. Now the expression is A bar B bar plus B C bar plus AC. This is how to minimize the given SOP. Same as we can minimize POS. Minimum product of sum expression. For example, the given function is 4 variable, that is pi capital M of 5, 7, 6, 14 to 10. Okay. This is written as A plus B bar plus C plus D bar means 5, 1, 0, 1. Okay. 1 here we are representing with bar. So this is the 5. Same as 7, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar 1, 1, 1, 7. And 6, A plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Next 14. 14 means 1, 1, 1, 0. 1 means here A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D. Next 2. 2 means 1, 0. So A plus B plus C bar plus D. 2 into 10 means 8. 1, 0, 1, 0. A bar 1 is represented A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. This is how to write the POS expression for a given function. This is the given function. Now from this again we can take the common. Okay. From this 2 we can take A bar B bar plus D bar common. Okay. From this 2 A plus B bar plus D bar common. So C into C bar, that becomes eliminated. That is using the theorem, that is x plus y bar into x plus y becomes x. That means here x is the same, it is not changing, but y bar is changing to y. So this becomes x. Same in this, if you take A plus B bar plus D bar, A plus C bar plus D bar. So here C is changing to C bar. So this becomes A plus B bar plus D bar. Same as from the next two terms, considering this and this. Okay. It combines. See here A changing to A bar. So remaining B bar plus C bar plus D is remaining. Next, when you combine these two, okay, so remaining terms are A is changing, so B plus C bar plus D. Okay. Again by these two terms, that is B is changing B bar to B and C bar plus D is remaining C bar plus D. So finally this is the minimized expression for POS.